Actress Chloe Bennet had some harsh words for people that criticized her for changing her last name from Wang to Bennett to get more roles in Hollywood. And they can kindly Eff Off. The Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. star was attacked after coming to the defense of fellow actor Ed Skrien, who announced that he's dropping out of the reboot of the movie Hellboy over concerns of whitewashing, as the character he was set to play is of mixed Asian heritage. Bennet cheered Skrien on Instagram, saying, "Damn, that's a man. Thank you, Ed Skrein, for standing up against Hollywood's continuous insensitivity and flippant behavior towards the Asian American community." She went on to say that she understands how difficult the decision must have been and hopes it inspires other actors and filmmakers to do the same. But people were quick to point out that by changing her name from Wang, she'd caved to Hollywood's biased treatment of Asians, which Bennet wasn't having any of. She responded by saying that she's doing everything she can so people will never have to change their name ever again, and to kindly, well, you get the hint. So in the future, if you come for Chloe Bennet, you better have a big shield. Sick of these promos? Then like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.